big or small, it doesn't matter. Like Anil said, rain, hail or shine, we Fijians are very resilient. And I'm sure the rain has not dampened our spirit to enjoy as it's labeled fun run. Okay? And I'm sure you're all eager to start having fun in this rain. But just a few words, I'll keep it very brief. First of all, Anil, thank you for you and your team for partnering with the Ministry of Health and Medical Services. As you all are aware, that with the rising cases of NCDs in the Pacific, and especially with our Fijians here in Fiji, we are very serious about raising awareness and getting our Fijians to get into a very active and a healthy lifestyle to combat the rising levels of NCDs that is currently plaguing our society. I've also been told by my doctors and other experts that NCDs can be reversed with healthy living, healthy eating, exercising regularly, and having that self-discipline to ensure that our health is always our priority, and then we live a longer life and, of course, a healthier life. Now, ladies and gentlemen, with NCDs comes a lot of risks. Risks of losing your life, one. Risk of losing your capability to earn a living, because these diseases strike in the most productive years of your life. We have Fijians who are living longer, but living with the burdens of NCDs. We have Fijians who have lost their lives and lost their lives at a very early stage of life. We have children who are now being diagnosed with diseases such as diabetes, and that is very serious. So that's the reason we partner with corporate bodies, because they also have a reach. And that's exactly the whole point, reaching out to each and everyone to ensure that we create that awareness about why it is important for each individual to be responsible for their own health. Of course, I believe my wellness team is here. We have a wellness unit within the Ministry of Health who go around providing advice to the people. But many a times we still see a laxity on the part of people to take heed of advice. And the numbers presenting at the hospitals and health centers with NCD cases are increasing. People losing their limbs are increasing. 80% of deaths in the Pacific is attributed to NCDs. So you can see how serious that is. And one way, like we said, is of combating these killer diseases are to be active and fit. What you eat, watch what you eat, watch how you live your life. And all that, I believe, comes with self-discipline. We can only talk, but the action needs to come from the general public. So for all those who are here this morning, I'm sure you've left the comforts of your warm beds to be here in this rainy and dreary weather. But nevertheless, I believe you are the real champions of our NCD campaign to create more awareness. So thank you very much. Thank you again, Anil, to you and your team, and of course to our media partners who are always there assisting us creating this awareness and taking this message down to every television that is within our living rooms to get people more active and being more responsible about their health. So all in all, ladies and gentlemen, have fun. It's fun. Have fun in the rain. And maybe this is one of the best experiences that we all are going to have. Unfortunately, I can't run. I have some issues with my knee. But I wish you all the very best. And please go out there to your communities, to your organizations, to your families, and be the champion of NCD, combating NCD, and be role models first in your families, and then in your organizations, and then of course in your communities. I see we have a very, very beautiful canine there who's also going to be part of the race. And yeah, that's how we do things in Fiji, right? Okay, so go out there, have fun, please be safe. We want this to be an injury-free fun run. And do take care while you're running on the wet tracks that has been designated. So all in all, thank you, coach, once again, Anil, you and your team, the media team, thank you very much. And to all the people out there, a big Vinakabakalevu, and God bless, have fun.